I'm Trenny. I'm a software engineer here at Syntasso. Today I will go through installation step of the newly released SKE GUI. So SKE GUI is a new addition to our Syntasso Enterprise offering. It is released and installed separately from SKE itself. You can install it using a Helm chart. So first things first, let's start by adding the Syntasso Helm chart registry to our local Helm. That all looks good, and you can see that in my environment I already have SKE installed and I have an example promise running as well. Next, you can choose to customize the Helm chart, such as changing its image registry, customizing RBAC object that is created. For our simple and quick installation today, I'll be using the default configuration of the chart. Cool, now let's do a Helm install. And because I'm using the default configuration, there's no need to provide any values file. That all looks good. Let's verify the deployment. Cool, looks like everything is ready. To access the GUI, you can do a kubectl port forward. You can see that here is asking for a token. We can generate it by using the service account created as part of our Helm chart installation. And that's it. Here you have it. This is our SKE GUI all ready to use. And you can see here, this is my example promise. And by going in there, you can also see the resource request of the promise and some of its objects. That is everything, and thank you for your time.